Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure power and connectivity are stable. Plug the AirPods Max into power or charge them to at least 50%. Firmware updates need steady power. Once done, keep the headphones near your iPhone or iPad with Bluetooth on and the device unlocked so the update can transfer automatically. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected because the phone downloads the firmware first. This first step establishes the link between device and headphones so the update can begin reliably. You now focus on transfer and verification. With the AirPods Max connected and in use or in the case close to your iPhone, the phone will push the firmware automatically once it downloads. That can take 30 minutes or more. If nothing happens, restart your iPhone to reinitiate the connection and keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active. Once you think the update ran, check Settings, General, About. Then your AirPods entry to view the firmware version. That tells you whether the process succeeded. You wrap up by confirming success and handling issues. First, verify the firmware number in Settings and Test Playback, Noise Control, and Spatial Audio so you know the new firmware is active. If the update stalled, reset the AirPods Max by holding the Noise Control button and digital crown together until the LED flashes, then reconnect and try again. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit a store, because persistent firmware failures often need diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.